go! Explore our backyard with us. Are you okay? Come on, get up. Don't come down with me. Get up. Okay. So that happened.
It's snowing.
Oh, why did that hurt on my head?
It's snowing. It's actually snowing. How do you do that? Wow.
Hey!
Okay.
That hurt on my head though, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
Actually, I can't do it.
Try.
It's like trying and I can't do it, delete it.
I'm doing this. You can do that all by yourself. Ah, it's cold. Exactly. Ah. Now, whose idea was that? Okay, let's get to explore, bro. If you eat the snow, then I don't know how I'm gonna help you if you get sick. Oh, I guess. Oh, my insides kind of hurt. Your insides kind of hurt. Okay, come on. You look stupid. Want to chew on a stick? Oh. My stick! Eat the stick. You eat the stick, man. I don't want to eat no stick. Ew. Exactly. Don't eat the stick. Oh my gosh, they ruined my sled spot. Is it gonna be crunchy? Oh my gosh. You're getting ice in my boot. I thought this was zipped up. Oh my god, that's my freaking bum. Something is hitting my head. I don't know. Oh. Frozen leaf. It won't get up. It's okay. Go me! I'm gonna cut you with this. What? What? Ouch! Come on. Yo. Wanna go check out the sand? I forgot there was sand there. This yard is so weird. You're sitting right where the fireplace was. Come up here. What is this? Yeah, I'm not strong. I shouldn't have done that. Is this a trash can? Ooh. Wait, here now. Huh? Let me take this off. I don't have. I don't know where I put my buttons. Okay, come on, bro. Go. Let's see if I can. Oh my gosh! Bro, look at these. You think I can jump on these bushes? If you jump and you prick every little piece of your body. Oh. That's another. Wait, hold on. ASMR. There is some more stuff. Shut up. Wow. Really, bro?
Casing though.
Man, I don't know about that.
What if I lay down? You hear me? Oh my gosh, there's one in my boot.
Help! It's stuck to my glove. Oh.
Ready?
Deny, you gonna sink.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Pull me up! Pull me up!
Oh gosh. You gonna fall! Stop twisting! Denia, it's sticking to your butt.
Get it off my bum!
Yo, grandma's gonna be so mad if she catches you wearing that pants.
Oh, some of them are not frozen. Oh, yeah. Some of them are not frozen.
I can't, I'm trying. Naya, look at the mess you just made. Look at the mess you made.
That's been there.
That has not been there. Look over here. Like, it's like... No. Oh my gosh. Is this frozen? No. Naya, don't step over here. My entire foot just got... Yo, this place is... Yo, help! You have to be super careful walking over here. Like, the floor will just cave in. Oh! 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 Distribute
No.
your weight evenly. Walk lightly. If you don't walk lightly, this happens.
What's
Denia. I can't lift it up.
I can lift it up. Then you have to just stomp, so it can be easier.
Do it.
Bruh.
That
wasn't very far.
You have to stomp so it can be easier, so you can touch the ground.
You have to tiptoe
You think I can
so you don't
jump
fall.
on my butt?
What?
You think I can jump on my butt?
Yeah.
That would hurt. That's what I said.
Oh! Ow! My butt cheek.
See how I'm walking lightly and nothing's happening to me?
What if I roll?
I mean,
I'm watching.
you look stupid.
I'm gonna do that too. The ice might be prickly, Naya. The ice is prickly. The ice is prickly, Naya. See, nothing's happening to me. I'm walking up.
Stop! You're getting so hard.
You guys gotta walk lightly.
My bad. Freaking kneecap. Look at this.
I saw it for the
Oh my gosh. Don't fall. Don't fall through. Kason, you're making really big potholes right now.
All these young kids been walking.
Yo, okay. Notice how I'm not the one falling in between. Kason, you and these giant... I remember finding a weird looking statue and then a spoon here.
The bird?
Yeah.
I remember I was on this and I got pricked by something. It was the
Look, I'm walking.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna go on this side. Denia! Animal footprints!
Oh, for real?
Look!
It's not there?
No, that does not look like it. It looks like some kind of...
Casey, come here!
Look! There's some over here! There's a whole trail.
Hey, is it not cat? I was about to say cat.
Could be. The cat. Some neighbors have cats.
Look, animal footprints.
It looks like it could be a cat.
Animal footprints.
Dog.
And then there's some over here. This one might be a deer.
Maybe
that
they
one
gone in
has to be
there.
a deer.
Maybe they gone in there. Or
No.
died.
You were just wandering around.
Oh god, frozen.
So lots of footprints. Because we
I'm
really
gonna climb
can-
it and I slip.
What is this?
I don't know. Let's see if I can stand on this park.
Can you not?
So cool. Will you do this?
It's right here. The metal
Denial.
is not on the tree.
Look.
If you fall and bust your freaking head.
I'm not.
Shark. Oh my gosh.
Get.
So violent. The pizza is aggressive. I'm sorry.
Oh god.
Hold on, guys.
Guys.
Park 4 today.
Be careful, please.
If I fall, you owe me.
I don't even nothing. What is this?
Okay.
What?
I'm gonna slide.
Do it. Oh my. Are you okay?
He disagrees.
The what?
He don't understand.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Nah.
Oh my gosh. We'll just sit right here.
I'm gonna risk it all and go to this one.
Be careful.
Help.
Oh my gosh. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm trying to take this off.
I got too many layers on to feel anything. I can't climb up. The snow underneath is too smooth.
Okay. Wait. Oh, okay.
I did it.
Oh my gosh. My freaking glove won't go back on. Can you take the phone real quick? Be careful, bro.
Wait.
Now why? Okay, take the phone. Let me slide off.
I found dirt so you can't fall.
You found what?
I found dirt so you can't fall.
I think. More footprints and then our footprints. Did you throw that at me? No. Sure, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
See, if you go past. See?
Ooh.
Don't do that.
Now look.
Ah.
Kill, we killed it. Look. Look at them.
Oh, he did find her.
See? Kill, look.
Bro, remember the last time it snowed and I threw paint on
Is
it?
that cool? Oh, it's your boat. Yeah.
Remember the last time it snowed and I threw freaking red paint over there? It was so
Stop. And then when it melted, you could still see it. Whoa, I almost died. Snow is actually so beautiful today.
That looks a little bit.
I'm so glad school is out too. Imagine having to go to school in this weather.
Nah, bro, I'm not going to school ever.
It would be freezing in the morning,
You think this kid taught me?
which is the time we have to wake up.
I'm not fat.
That
can't stop me. Now we made a new path to a different destination. Got that so high, guys!
Look at that! It's shining. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's shining.
Yeah, it's shining. What's rainbow? It looks like a rainbow when it shines. Right?
Snow is so beautiful.
I'm trying to make a snowball.
Let's see if you can see it. Like the snow glistening. And is she doing something down? Bro, yesterday we tried to go over there, and literally the floor kept on caving in on us. Our struggle. We don't have school until Thursday.
I almost died.
I do not want to go to school because I still have a test to finish, bro. Oh, see what I mean, bro? This is the incident.
You can see that we're running.
That's it. I'm going home.
Guys, don't run. It just makes the thing cave in. Just gotta tiptoe. Notice how I'm walking lightly and nothing is happening to me? Oh, well, not that time, but it's because of Naya's freaking foot. Dang!
I'm really walking lightly.
Leave the squirrel alone.
Oh, Naya. Do you remember that big spider web here? You don't remember that?
That was over here. It was over there.
Yo, who just tried to remove my hood? Oh.
There was one that was smaller than that one.
And why is it in droplets?
See?
Yo,
The spider web used to
the
be
floor
right
here
here.
is much more solid.
The spider web used to be right here, but it's gone.
Be careful.
Imagine if we climb the fence and go to out of nowhere.
No way. I remember seeing some big animal over here.
What?
And a huge deer.
I see.
But that was the time Dad shot it and we ate it. Oh my gosh. Oh no. We should probably tell Mom about this.
There a tree fall?
Yeah.
Now we can go
It's
out.
cut off.
We can go out now.
Yeah, but what if one of those stupid chickens roam too far? Because I remember seeing a chicken down here once. Probably not.
Bro.
I don't even think we're supposed to be out here. Now this is a real adventure.
I might fall.
Now that the fence is broken, do you think this is our property now or theirs?
Girl, what?
I think it is our property because look, they have another fence right there.
They're having more fun. How are you selling on this?
That's the road I escaped me.
That's insane.
Ow!
You-
Tree just stabbed me.
That's my fault.
Jesus, stop walking.
Who is chewing?
Dude, I'm a squirrel.
I heard that.
Going
We're walking. Why?
walk lightly because there's footprints all over here, bro.
We're out of really nowhere now.
This place is probably supposed to be untouched. If Mom finds these footprints, we're gonna get in trouble.
This could.
Yo, look over there. You can see more animal footprints.
Guys, wait. This could be off. This could be off limits, guys.
No, I didn't see any private property signs all the time. We've been on this property.
This could be limited.
What? Anyone in there?
Hello.
Hello? There's nothing in there. Walk lighter, Naya. We can't leave any footprints. Look, you can see tiny squirrel footprints.
I was walking lightly the whole time.
See? Look at it.
I was walking
Whoa.
lightly the whole time.
I don't think we should go any far farther.
But there's more fences there.
Yeah, I'm not
I see
trusting
animal
this.
footprints.
Because what if we get on something's
Guys?
territory?
Is this a
Oh,
cat?
hell no. I already saw too much
Tell me,
videos.
is this a deer footprint or
This is a tire.
is this a deer footprint or a cat footprint?
Yeah, really?
No, I thought it was like some because it looks like metal.
No. That has to be cat footprint or deer footprint.
Right here?
I hear you chewing whatever animal's chewing. I see it. I see a squirrel.
Yeah, me too.
That's a big
Can I go
battle.
scare it? I'm gonna go scare it.
No, do not scare it
Wait,
before
can we go to?
comes
Wait,
back
I
and
see a
scares
house. I
us.
see the tree. What the hell?
Skinny footprints everywhere. These animals must love their little home.
Now that we invaded it, that's bad.
Yeah, let's go. Because I don't want no angry male deer finding our scent. Then if it catches us outside again, they start charging. Whoa, I'm not doing that.
What happens if mom finds? Guys, why does this mom find that and find footprints? No.
That's a big
Once this mom finds out finds this here.
We better pray it snows again.
Yeah, cause it's good.
It's gonna snow again on Wednesday. Well, only 40%. Let's go. I'm going.
Let me go. Oh, let me. I'm trying to go down there.
Kidnapped. Somebody kidnapped me. I'm screaming at the top of my ever-loving lungs. You can see the fungus on the tree. Be learning about that in class.
Whatever these are.
Some kind of fungi.
Oh, that's poisonous.
Bye. It's probably not poisonous. Most things aren't. Yo. Deer footprints everywhere. There's a
They're
whole.
coming from down here. So I think those coming all over.
Yeah, some are going this way.
Animals just be trespassing in our yard.
Low key, we're trespassing theirs. The animals been here first. Now this is some fat deer or some huge deer. You can tell the deer is having struggle walking through here. What are you doing?
They're turned around.
I'm going back up there. I'm going back up here. There's more footprints everywhere you go.
I don't want to track you. There used to be down here.
I toasted one. Girl.
I ran. I need sit, bro.
Guys, walk carefully over here, please. This is the thin ice. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. My foot keeps on sinking.
How does snow this much?
Oh, it's from last time I tried to walk up here. More footprints. You think it's just
Where?
butt down here?
What?
Where's the footprints going to?
I see a red bird.
No, don't mess up the footprints now, Caleb.
Oh my gosh.
I can turn. I can turn, right? I can't.
Oh my gosh.
Where's the footprints going to?
Yeah, girl, I need to sit down, cause what?
I'm touching the footprints.
Anyway,
Bye. Adios. Very dry.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Peace out.